atmosphere. Let's give them a huge round of applause.
From Narsampet, Warangal, 16/12/2022. Oh, give thanks to the Lord for His good, for His love endures forever. With immense joy and gratitude, I deem it my privilege to present on this auspicious day the report of St. Mary's High School, Maheshwaram, Narsampet. Honorable Chief Guest, Most Reverend Dr. Udumala Bala, Bishop of Warangal and Apostolic Administrator of Khammam, Reverend Sister Gracie Antony, the President of St. Mary's Telangana Education Society, Reverend Sister Stella, Assistant Provincial Superior of Sacred Heart Province, Respected Sri Peddi Sudarshan Reddy, MLA of Narsampet Constituency, Honorable Mrs. Vasanti Garu, the District Education Officer, Warangal, Respected Sri Sampath Rao Garu, Assistant Commissioner of Police, Narsampet, Mrs. Moti Kala Padmanabha Reddy Garu, the President of Mandal Praja Parishad, Mrs. Ratnamala Garu, the Mandal Education Officer of Narsampet, Reverend Father Basani Prakash Reddy, the Parish Priest of Narsampet, Mrs. Madugula Kavita Niranjan Reddy Garu, Grama Sarpanch of Maheshwaram, Reverend Sister Mayakurti, the correspondent and manager of this institution, all the former principals and managers, Reverend Sister Mercy, Sister Jean Joseph, Reverend Sister Jayashili, Reverend Sister Liza, Reverend Sister Soumya, Reverend Sister Mary Varghese, Reverend Sister Teresa Joseph, and teachers of St. Mary's High School, educators of different schools, well-wishers, most respected parents, and my beloved students. Jubilee is a time to glorify the Almighty God for His benevolent blessings. This august gathering, the long-expected magnificent hour of the day, the remarkable milestone for the institution, rededication and thanksgiving, and the reasons for this grand gala. These 25 years of existence is the result of the selfless efforts of many noble hearts with the blessings of God. On 6th February 1996, it was the inspiration of Reverend Father Ambati Bala Reddy, who felt the need to have an excellent English medium school in this locality. The magnanimity of Most Reverend Tumma Bala, former Bishop of Warangal, is the root cause of establishing St. Mary's High School and St. Mary's Convent. The vision of our former Superior General, Reverend Sister Mother Angela Mercy, and former Provincial Superior, late Reverend Sister Clotilda, deserve rich applause for actualizing Maheshwaram mission. Reverend Sister Mercy, the Superior and Head of the institution, followed by Reverend Sister Jayashili, the correspondent, and Reverend Sister Jean Joseph, the headmistress, laid the foundation in this campus. Now it's a memorable saga of 25 fulfilling years of service to many rural children. The ever-ready hands of Reverend Sister Mary Varghese, Sister Irene, Sister Liza, Soumya, Sister Teresa Joseph, and several other special identities continue to nurture the young minds entrusted to them. Our floral tribute to all of them present here and who are unable to grace this occasion. Ever since its humble origin, the school maintained illustrious legacy and an impeccable academic and extracurricular record. We take pride today in tracing its venerable origins in the Congregation of Sisters of St. Anne, Bangalore, founded by Most Reverend Stephen Louis Chabono, the then Bishop of Mysore. We salute all the superior generals and provincial superiors, namely Reverend Sister Gracie Anthony, Reverend Sister Stella, Reverend Sister Selina, under whose wings of protection the school is blooming. We gratefully acknowledge the spiritual guidance of the parish priest of Timarapeta and Nasampet, late Reverend Father Otti Raja Reddy, Reverend Father P. Chinnaya, Reverend Father Thomas Kiran, late Reverend Father Y. George Reddy, Reverend Father D. Raja Reddy, and at present Reverend Father Basani Prakash Reddy. Our gratitude to our parishioners for their continuous support. Life and activities. Well begun is half done. We start every day, every new day with prayer, imploring God's grace upon our children, the staff and the management. St. Mary's High School was recognized by the government of Telangana from 1996-97. Later it switched over to CBSE, New Delhi in the year 2019-20. The souvenir on this occasion will surely reflect the glorious journey. Since 25 years, the students are complimented for attaining 100% results. The first batch students of CBSE secured under pass percentage, class first P. Praharsha Sri with 92% and with 9.8 GPA, state board students of P. Sumulata Reddy, V. Jansi Reddy, B. Santosh and V. Kalyan. My heartfelt appreciation and congratulations to them. Gratitude wells up my heart to the St. Mary's Telangana Educational Society for equipping the school with beautiful buildings, labs and infrastructure as per the CBSE protocol. I humbly salute the stakeholders of St. Mary's who put united efforts in creating a learning center of excellence. St. Mary's School encourages and upholds the students to have clear vision, stay focused on their short-term and long-term goals. At present, our school strength from preschool to class 10 is above 1,000. When we recognize how our lives are influenced by the ancestors, we should appreciate their goodness and hand it down to us. On this occasion, we appeal to the parents and well-wishers to leave a legacy for the younger generation. We introduce for children moral science, IIT, NEET Foundation, IGNIS, Abacus, Vedic Maths and art integrated education apart from regular subjects. We are proud to note that many of our students make their way to Navodaya, Class 6 and 11, Gurukula and Sainik schools every year. We update our teaching staff with refresher courses and training programs time to time to update our students to face the challenges according to the signs of time. The school maintains hubs and committees like examination committee, festivals and celebrations, cultural, eco club, sports committee, literary committee, disaster discipline management committee and hubs of learning committee. The staff is assigned with various responsibilities to build the lives of the students. Our committed staff, teachers who are part of St. Mary's right from its inception, along with many others who chiseled the students to present glory, turned up today. They are excited and jubilant to see the development of the institution. In gratitude, we honor them in our hearts for their valuable contribution. Presently, we have 55 teaching staff, including sister teachers and 16 supportive staff rendering their selfless services. sports and games achievements. Giving up is not an option if you want to win or to be a champion. We appreciate the selfless dedication of our PT staff. Every class has a PT period to nurture the innate talents of the students and to make them physically fit. Our students are selected at school, mandal, district and state levels for sports and games. In wrestling, Master K. Varshit, G. Rajesh, D. Naresh, E. Nitish and N. Prakash, K. Aishwarya, B. Mamata and K. Satvika participated. Long jump, broad jump and running race. Congrats to winners K. Jashwant, 300 meters running and long jump. Narendra class 2, 50 meters, 300 meters running and broad jump, who won first prize. They are selected for the state level competitions. Cultural and literary achievements. We encourage students who have received awards, but it is not the end, but just the beginning of their journey. It is time to rebuild newer strengths and rededicate to build a brighter future. We appreciate the students with hard work and dedication for conducting and participating in science fair on 20th February every year. That's how we strive to raise the young creative scientists of the future. Cultural and literary competitions are conducted to foster national integrity. The students participated in mandal level and district level Kala Utsav. For solo dance, MD Parvez and Miss Music A. Ashish were chosen for district level competitions. At mandal level Chekumuki group talent test, V. Shloka of class 10, G. Joseph Harshit of class 9 and G. Srija of class 8 secured third place. Young Ants talent test in recitation K. Lakshmi Prasanna, storytelling Samantha, news reading P. Anshu, declamation Sneha, drawing Satyam, Aishwarya and Revan Sagar won first prizes. We inspire the students to participate in Olympiad, maths and science competitive test every year. In COV Center of Excellence exam, P. Kaushik Kiran, P. Aditya, P. Shavnish, P. Sandeep, M. Sushant passed 2 consecutive years. Master Sai Kiran Kaushik was selected for IIT Jharkhand 2022 and P. Shavnish achieved seat in LPU Punjab in 2022. Akshit Nayak and Harshini got selected for Navodaya. NCC achievements. There are new enrollments to NCC every year with regular camps. I am proud to note that one of the cadets, with the cooperation of the parent, Badavat Rishita, was selected in 7 different camps in Mamnoor, Khammam, Guntur, Anantapur and New Delhi. She was awarded as Best Cadet by CO H.V. Dubey on occasion of 75 years NCC celebration at Hanmakonda in November 2022. Festivals and celebrations. '21st century skills such as the 4 C's, creative, critical thinking, communication and collaboration are essential for absorbing knowledge and high performance. Our students get every opportunity to develop skills in celebrating Independence Day, Republic Day, Teachers Day, Children's Day, Gandhi Jayanti, Rashtriya Ek Divas, Communal Harmony Day, Tobacco Day, Clean and Green Day, Batkamma and Christmas. School leaders like SPL and ASPL are elected and take oath in the presence of all on Investors Day. School sports captain, 4 group leaders are selected to develop leadership qualities and responsibilities. Eco-friendly picnics and tours. To protect nature and to inculcate love for environment, our students take up plantation every year. to appreciate, admire, and learn from nature and wonderful works of God, we expose students through excursions and picnics like Kakatiya Port, Zoo Park, Kaleshwaram Dam, Wonderla, etc. Our goal is to ensure that all the students become critical thinkers, active problem solvers, inquisitive readers, diligent researchers, and prolific writers. They are prepared to meet the demands of the world to become nation-loving citizens. They are taught to share their might to the growth of the society. We strive to guide them to the peaks of academic heights. We have dedicated staff working with us for more than 20 years. They are proudly become part of St. Mary's family. Conclusion. I raise my grateful heart to God for His continuous protection and blessings. I am thankful to the wonderful cooperation from our dear Bishop and ever remain grateful to the Diocese of Warangal and to all the civil authorities, alumni, beloved parents and well-wishers. Their benevolent rapport is commendable. My sincere gratitude to all the dignitaries of the day for sparing your precious time to be with us and for your valuable messages. Our management, Reverend Sister Maria, sister teachers, teaching and supportive staff are praiseworthy. They deserve rich applause. They are my strength and support in taking the institution to newer heights. My appreciation and congratulations to all students for their wonderful energy and enthusiasm for the success of this program. Thanks to one and all. God bless us all. May God bless you and your family. Sajay Prada, Principal of St. Mary's High School. Thank you.
Please give her a huge round of applause. Sam dear, shall we go to West Gujarat state? Yes. Do you know what is the famous item of Gujarat? Yes, I know. Tell me. Gujarat is known for its rich variety of traditional clothing and traditional embroidery. My dear onlookers, now focus our attention at third-class girls dressed with embroidering costumes, holding sticks in their hands and striking together, moving with the thundering steps. sons are third class boys to perform a dance with chair, ball and hat. Let's relax on chair and watch the performance. Let's welcome them.
temporary, but the power of education is permanent.
May I welcome Reverend Sister Gracie Anthony, the Provincial Superior and President of St. Mary's Educational Society, Telangana.
Most Reverend Udumala Bala, Bishop of Warangal and Apostolic Administrator of Khammam, the chief guest of today's gathering, respected guests of honor on the dais, dear fathers, sisters, staff, students, loving parents, benefactors, friends, a pleasant evening to one and all. Silver Jubilee year is a remarkable milestone for any institution that gives us an opportunity to look backwards on the distance traveled and forward to the journey that lies ahead. And rededication and thanksgiving need to be the vision of our celebration. It's an occasion to cast a glance over the years that have gone by, and we cannot but thank God for the blessings received by the management, staff, students, parents, and the society. We need to thank God for the visionaries who dreamt, the pioneers who launched the project, and all those who labored hard all through the past 25 years. I am indeed delighted to be part of this significant celebration of St. Mary's High School Silver Jubilee celebration. I would like to congratulate the management, the principal, the staff and students of St. Mary's High School on its completion of 25 years of service. May God give them light, the guidance and commitment to plan and carry out the education that will prepare leaders that the modern society will need and look for during the coming years. Silver has been the standard of exemplary purity and excellence since time immemorial, and this school, instituted in 1996, provided opportunities to many children who wanted to enter the professional arena and participate as equals in the nation building project envisioned by our founding pioneers. Dear students, a school is much more than the bricks and mortar with which it is built. A school is its pupils. Today, I would like to share with you my vision and hopes for the young generation of our nation. May all people enjoy peace and joy should be the driving impulse of any conception of education in any period of place. No doubt, we want economic growth, we want technological development, we want scientific pursuit of knowledge. But at the end, everything comes to a point that we want to have happiness, peace of mind, and harmony among our people, irrespective of every division. I wish that you, dear students, pass out not only with good marks, but the promise of gainful and satisfying employment, but also with self-confidence. The courage of your convictions should be your true worth as you chart your destiny. To all the teachers, I would like to say that you are the proud inheritors of a wonderful tradition of being in the fortunate position to give your students the greatest gift of all, the gift of knowledge. Transforming our institutions of higher learning into centers of excellence is the key challenge the management and the staff face. God has blessed us with a bunch of inspired teachers who can ignite the minds of students and encourage them to think out of the box. Our children grow up in a world filled with complexities, a world that has become increasingly challenging socially, emotionally, and technologically. Thus, today's teaching fraternity has to portray a number of roles: a facilitator, a counselor, a friend, a parent, and many more. However, let me acknowledge that the rapid changes of the recent years have also implied greater challenges for the schools. Therefore, the tasks that lie ahead require fresh thinking and innovative ways of doing things. I am sure the school will utilize the occasion of its Silver Jubilee to reflect on how it should evolve in the future to be able to do full justice to its wondrous responsibilities. I fondly and gratefully remember and congratulate all those who have contributed, toiled and sacrificed to make St. Mary's High School into what it is today. We owe greatly to the Diocese of Warangal, all the civil authorities and benefactors. Dear parents, your cooperation and generosity has certainly paved way for the growth and development of St. Mary's High School. These were some thoughts that I wish to share with you today. Let me once again congratulate the management, staff and students, past and present, for your valuable contributions in terms of dedication and commitment to this school. I whisper a prayer for God's blessings on your every endeavor and wish all the best for the future. Finally, I conclude with an inspirational quote from the great philosopher Søren Kierkegaard. Life can only be understood backwards, but it must be lived forward. I repeat, life can only be understood backwards, but it must be lived forward. May you continue to flourish for all the time to come. Thank you, one and all.
Tell me, what is your ambition? Jayanand, my ambition is to be a doctor or an engineer. Why do you like to become a doctor or an engineer? Because I want to become a white-collar job holder. Have you ever thought of becoming a farmer? No, I didn't think about it. The farmers are real hero in the society because they never depend on others. Here comes class of 7 boys who are going to show the importance of a life of a farmer in the society. This dance performance are going to tribute the all the farmers. Come on my dear, cast and crew to the dais.
బాగా చదివి పేరు తెస్తారని అనుకుంటారు. మీరేమో ఇలా తాగుతూ ఫుడ్ అంతా వేస్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. మీరు వేస్ట్ చేసే ఫుడ్ ఒక రైతు ఎన్ని నెలలు కష్టపడితే వస్తుందో మీకు తెలుసా? ఒక్క క్షణం వేస్ట్ చేసే ముందు ఆలోచించండి. మీ ఫాదర్ ఏం చేస్తారా? డాక్టర్ సార్.
సాఫ్ట్వేర్ సార్.
బిజినెస్ సార్. మరి మీ ఫాదర్ రా? మా ఫాదరు చిన్న పని చేస్తారు సార్. అదేంటి? మా ఫాదర్ చిన్న ఫార్మర్ సార్. ఏంటి రైతు పని చేస్తాడని చెప్పడానికి అంత సిగ్గెందుకు? ఇప్పుడున్న పిల్లలు మీరు ఏమవుతారంటే అందరూ డాక్టర్, ఇంజనీర్, పోలీస్, టీచర్ అంటారే గాని ఒక్కడు కూడా నేను రైతునవుతానని అనరు. ఎందుకంటే రైతు అంటే అంత లోకువ. రైతు గొప్పతనం ఏంటో మీకు తెలియదు కాబట్టి అలా అనుకుంటున్నారు. అసలు రైతు అంటే ఎలా ఉండేవాడో తెలుసా? దేశానికి వెన్నెముక రైతు. రైతు లేనిదే రాజ్యం లేదు. రైతు అంటే అన్నదాత. దేశ ప్రగతికి మూలం రైతు. జై కిసాన్ అన్నారు. ఇవన్నీ రైతు గొప్పతనం చెప్పడానికే. ఒక ఉదాహరణగా చెప్పేవాళ్ళు ఒకప్పుడు.
నాగలేసి నారు పోసి పంట కోసం ఎదురు చూసి భూమి కోసం నీటి కోసం తెల్లవారిన బతుకు తెల్లవారని రైతు బిడ్డలే నాకు కన్న బిడ్డలు అనుకుంటూ అనుకుంటూ
రైతన్న పరిస్థితి నేడు ఎలా ఉంది? ప్రకృతి కోపానికి విలవిలలాడుతూ కరువు కాటకాల్లో చిక్కుకొని అధిక వడ్డీ రేట్లతో అల్లాడిపోతూ నకిలీ విత్తనాలతో కల్తీ పురుగుల మందుతో వేసిన పంట చేతికి రాక
డబ్బులు తీసిన ఎన్ని రోజులైంది? ఇంకో 2 రోజుల్లో కట్టకపోతే నేను ఇల్లు వేమనేస్తా.
అధికారుల నిర్లక్ష్యంతో పంటకు కనీస మద్దతు ధర రాక
నీ ఎట్లు కావాలంటే వడ్డీ పెట్టి తీసుకో.
అయ్యా 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 ఎద్దు లేకపోతే పొలంలో పనులు చేయలేమయ్యా.
నాన్న, ఎన్నిసార్లు చెప్పాలి నాన్న కాలేజ్ ఫీజు కట్టాలని? త్వరగా పంపి నాన్న.
గోలు కన్నీటితో మార్చేవాను అడవి చెట్లను పావురాళ్లను కలవైనా కనగలమా ఆశను సమాధి చేసు
పంట వేస్తే నష్టాలే కాని లాభాలు పొందలేక నేటి సమాజం ఆకలి తీర్చే అన్నదాతకే నేడు ఆకలి మిగిలింది. అందుకే ఆత్మహత్యలే శరణ్యమవుతున్నాయి. రైతంటే ఆకలి తీర్చే మహారాజు. నేల నమ్మేవాడు నేల పైకి ఎదుగుతున్నాడు. అదే నేలను నమ్మినవాడు నేల క్రిందికి వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాడు. రైతు 10,000 మట్టిలోకి వెళితేనే మనకు 5,000 నోటిలోకి వెళ్తాయి. ఆలోచించండి. రైతులను కాపాడుకుంటేనే రేపటి తరాలకు మంచి భవిష్యత్తు ఇవ్వగలం. రైతులను కాపాడుకుందాం. జై కిసాన్, జై హింద్.
Provoking. It is so inspirable message by your dance. It is so thought-provoking message by your dance. Thanks.
Zooby zooby pampara, zooby pam. Zooby nache ke pagal stupid man.
Zooby pampara, zooby pampam. Zooby nache ke pagal stupid man.
शाखों पे पत्ते गा रहे हैं, फूलों पे भंवरे गा रहे,
दीवाने गाने गा रहे हैं, ये पंछी गा रहे हैं।
ओ बगिया में दो फूलों हो रही है गुफ्तगू, जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है गुफ्तगू।
आई ये zooby pampara, zooby pampam.
Zooby nache ke pagal stupid man. Zooby pampara, zooby pam. Zooby nache ke pagal stupid man. Zooby nache ke pagal stupid man. Zooby pampara, zooby pam. Zooby nache ke pagal stupid man. चांद जमीन पर इतरा के गा रहा, तुम टूटा तारा इतरा के गा रहा।
मुझे छोड़
जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है गुफ्तगू। Zooby pampara, zooby pampam. Zooby nache ke pagal stupid man. Zooby pampara, zooby pampam. Zooby nache ke pagal stupid man. Zooby
zooby pampara.
locked up in a castle of love.
Not do any homework, don't you get punishment?
Yes, math teacher punished me to do 10 sit-ups.
Sit-ups? Do you know the benefits of sit-ups?
Are there any benefits of sit-ups?
Yes. Do you know actually they call it as super brain yoga?
Okay, actually there are acupuncture point in our ear if we hold and do a sit-up.
Improves focus, strong grasping power, improves memory and brings clarity.
It is correct.
Our stout stars of second class are going to grasp us with a performance where
That is a mistake. Come on, upcoming burning stars to the stage.
महसूस हुआ है लाइफ की गाड़ी एक तुम्हारा ब्रेक हो रहा है तू कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख यही उम्र कर ले लड़की से mistake, यही उम्र कर ले लड़की से mistake, यही उम्र कर ले लड़की से mistake, यही उम्र कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक बेटा जन्म से खिलाना थोड़ी बड़ी बनाना तुम निकालो केस कबल की फसल उगाना अरे अबे चलो बेटा शुरू हो जा शुरू कबल उठा दे रेडियो लगाना किसी बगल वाली को मरतानी खुशबू सुनाना चल ऊपर फोटो पकड़ निकले करके बताना अब वाला सिग्नल दिखाना बड़ो सिग्नल दिखाना बर्फ का लट्टू साइकिल पे घुमा है हाईवे पे मोटर साइकिल भगाते थे अगर सर्दी लगे तो सीट पे पीछे लड़की बिगाड़े दे यही उम्र कर ले लड़की से mistake, यही उम्र कर ले लड़की से mistake, यही उम्र कर ले लड़की से mistake, यही उम्र कर ले लड़की से mistake बेटा
What will you do? I'll roll it like a superstar Mahesh Babu. Just imagine, if you are a border, how will you feel? I can't imagine, but our soldiers are great. Yes, they left everything to save our country and they accepted our country as their family. There is no food, there is no sleep, only the intention to protect our country. Yes, hats off to the soldiers. Now I call upon our 10th class boys are going to perform a dance about life of soldiers. Let's welcome them.